And last year, Narendra Modi said he regretted that the 2002 Gujarat riots took place under his watch. Well, now with general elections just 3 months away, while addressing a gathering of Muslims in the capital, the BJP president has gone a step further.
Ahead of the make or break election, the BJP has tweaked its outreach line to minority voters. Late last year, BJP's prime ministerial pick, Narendra Modi, had stopped short of an apology and regretted the Gujarat riots under his watch. But on Tuesday, his party president went one step further, promised an apology if the BJP makes a mistake in future.
हम लोगों के पार्ट पर यदि कोई गलती और चूक हुई होगी, तो मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूं कि हम शीश झुकाकर, अपना सिर झुकाकर हम क्षमा मांग लेंगे.
The subtext wasn't lost even if Rajnath Singh didn't mention the Gujarat riots or the absence of an apology from Narendra Modi till now. Rajnath Singh did what Modi can't because Narendra Modi does not want to dilute his strident Hindutva image amongst the cadre. This is in line with his Sadbhavna mission of September 2011, where he invited minority members but didn't accept a skull cap from a minority cleric. But Rajnath Singh's comment is a sign that the BJP is still exploring alternate measures to target minority votes who may be disenchanted with other parties.
मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों को खुलकर कहना चाहिए सब नेताओं को, कार्यकर्ताओं को, कि इस देश को हर तरीके से दंगा मुक्त बनाने का हम लोग प्रयास करें.
Rajnath Singh's statement indicates that the party wants the minority voters to move beyond the past of Gujarat riots and Babri demolition. But the statement also contradicts the BJP's real politic. Recently, the party at a rally had felicitated the accused in Muzaffarnagar riots, indicating the party is also attempting to cash in on the polarization of majority votes, especially in crucial states like Uttar Pradesh. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.